leaf crashing through Teo made him shake. His eyes burned so badly from the smoke he could barely see through his tears and singed lashes. "You're okay," Marino said, kneeling down next to Teo. He cupped his hands and conjured two gentle spouts in his palms like a makeshift eye wash. "That was either a very smart move or a very stupid move, bird boy." He's calling him bird boy. I'm thinking that's probably an insult. "I like to toe the line," Teo replied, his voice barely more than a wheeze, before he bent over to rinse his eyes.